For our next episode of Forest Life TV, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Ozark Trail 12-piece camping tool set. Comes with a machete, hatchet, small knife, sharpening stone, fire starter, paracord, and 2 clips with a flashlight and battery in it. And use this to get it open with. We are in. That's what we're working with here. Small lightweight machete. More like a Bowie knife. Got a saw back with it. Comes decently sharp. Mid-sized knife. Serrated blade, paracord handle. It's a decently sharp for out the box. Got the small hatchet. Slightly heavier than what I figured it was going to be. Again, paracord handle. With little, wrenches on it. Don't know what I'd use that for. Be something. Flashlight. Roll of cordage. Got our 2 clamps. I sure to set these over here so I don't lose them. Got our sharpening rod. And now we got our fire starter. We also got Cole in the background. Swamp Life TV. Y'all see what he's doing in his upcoming video. Here we have everything laid out. Machete and knife, and the hatchet came with a small sheath. The knife sheath, ambidextrous carry. You can put it on each side of your belt. Came with this plastic insert in it so you don't cut through yourself. Had this little pocket on it. Same with machete, sheath, nylon made. Had this little holder for the fire starter. Velcro for the hatchet. And I'm doing this all with my cell phone too. I don't have a camera yet. Doing this one-handed. And here's the flashlight. It actually did come with batteries in the pack. Has a nice zoom in and zoom out on it. Sharpener. Let's see how they cut. Try a machete on this smaller brush. Works well. Let's try something a bit bigger. Oh, branch. Alright. I'm impressed with the machete. See what this little axe can do. Right beside the machete chops. Okay. Impressed with the little axe too. I'm most likely going to take the paracord off the handle and maybe put some wood scales on it. Here we are with the knife. Take a little bark off the tree. Alright. Good camping knife, a good fishing knife. Definitely going to put them in the red backpack. It all fits well inside my backpack. Knife, machete, axe. I got the lights and the planks in here. And this is not a survival pack. This is just a simple tool bag made by Husky. And other than what I already got in here, it doesn't add much of weight, than if anything. I came across a slight issue with the machete sheath construction. Every time I pull the machete out, the saw teeth catches the inside of the sheath and pulls it ragged. But other than that one issue, I give the Ozark Trail 12-piece camping tool set 6 out of 10. It's not the best brand, but for what it is and the price tag on it and the convenience of getting it at Walmart, can't really beat it. Y'all be seeing a lot more of these on the channel. Let me know what I should take out with them.